What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another absolutely excitement-filled video. I know you've all been waiting for this one. I hope you've all been doing well, and this week I am back with yet another chance to win yourselves a subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud. Thanks to Adobe and the Adobe Creative Residency Community Fund, you can apply for that yourselves. I'll put a link to that in the description below the video. Check that out. Now for me, these challenges are all about pushing yourself to be creative and making something original for yourself. I don't really care about who's got the best equipment or the fanciest transitions. I just want to see you guys put in some creativity and effort and see what you can come out with. That's what it's all about. Pushing your boundaries. I've had some really great submissions in the last 2 weeks, and I've gotten some really cool messages from you guys as well, saying that it's pushed you outside of your comfort zone. For some of you, it's got you back on track to creating content, and just all in all, it's been a really positive response, and I'm really happy with the way things have gone. So thank you for everyone who's taken part so far. Now, if you do want to get yourself or your hands on a free Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, all you need to do is take part in this week's challenge and submit it to submissions@wondergasm.com. We've already had 2 amazing winners, and this week's challenge is going to be even better than the last 2. I think so anyway. It's going to be quite fun. So what is it? It's the one-shot challenge. What is the one-shot challenge, I hear you ask? So here's what I want you to do. Take your best single continuous shot of anything you like and spice it up as much as you can. Just add that spice, just sprinkle it on, just throw the whole pot. Music, sound effects, color grade, shot choice, subject, all of the above can help in making it more interesting. This is actually one of my favorite things to do myself, and here's a little example of one of my recent favorites here. Now, I'm not expecting you to go out yourself and fly a drone across a beautiful ocean sunrise, but this was one shot, and I've added music, sound, color, and a little bit of emotion, all within the 15 seconds that I think this clip ran for. I hope it's 15 seconds, otherwise that's going to be embarrassing. Oh, that's a good burp. Time-wise, I want the shot to be a minimum of 10 seconds and a maximum of 30 seconds. And I really actually cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. Now that you've managed to hang around for this long, let's announce the last competition's winner. Really worthy winner, I think, this week. Is nailed the brief to a T. This is exactly what I had in mind when I set the challenge to you guys. Let's watch his submission. So there you go, this guy, Joe Travel Vlogs, has been on the ball every week creating his submissions for the challenges. He's been one of the first people every week to actually submit, which was really impressive, the kind of time frame that he managed to do all of this in. And I really hope he doesn't stop just because he's won. Like, I've been really enjoying watching his submission. I feel like he really nailed the brief, and honestly, I couldn't stop laughing the whole way through. Making something as simple as making a piece of toast entertaining for a whole 30 seconds is somewhat of a talent in my books. I really like the transitions and the variety of shots that he's used. You know, it's a real nice piece of work. You should be proud. Pat yourself on the back. Anyway, as always, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. You've got 2 weeks to submit your challenge videos. You can get those in submissions at wondergasm.com, and if you're interested in applying for the Adobe Creative Residency Community Fund, again, I'll put a link to the description below.
If they passing and harass me colder, cause see my passion keeps on passing me, I'm getting older. That's why I rarely let people at my job know I rap, cause that just turned to some circus like I'm an acrobat.